The upcoming Poco F6 and Poco F6 Pro is confirmed to launch in India and globally on May 23. The Poco F6 Pro version is tipped to be a rebrand of the Redmi K70, and the Poco F6 is a rebranded version of the Redmi Turbo 3, which was introduced in China earlier in April. This is the first look hands-on images Poco F6. The phone comes with two colors variant. Poco F6 moves a step closer to launch as it gets NBTC certified with model code 24069PC21G. Poco F6 with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC is confirmed to launch in India with up to 16GB of RAM and ship with Android 14-based HyperOS. The phone has scored 1,884 and 4,799 points in single-core and multi-core tests. It will have a 6.78-inch OLED display. The screen will have 1220p resolution with 144Hz display refresh rate, with 2,400 nits peak local brightness. The Poco F6 equipped with a dual rear camera unit, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX920 primary sensor alongside an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor paired with an ultra-wide lens. A 20-megapixel selfie camera. The handset is packed a 5,000 mAh battery with 90W wired charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.